Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome back to the analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Well, today's video research probably will be a bit boring since there's almost a total absence of any kind of the breaking news in the current price action. So we see just a tight consolidation around the support area that we have marked even during the previous week, and market still stands here and in a tight range. So currently it's still unclear, will market turn to the upside and will continue move to the upside, or it will continue move to the downside, because this kind of the consolidations on the market tells about market's indecision, and second is that the market is building an energy. So when market stays in some tight range, it's very often followed by significant move in one or other direction. So, but still current context suggests that bears are still in charge, because on the daily time frame we see trend holds bearish, market stands around the support area, but it doesn't move in opposite direction. Furthermore, even more, market hasn't tested the pivot point yet, and this resistance that we have discussed on the previous trading sessions, 131.65. In fact, in the current charts, I do not see any significant patterns that could give us more clarification about what direction will prevail in the nearest term. That's why currently we could either trade on the short-term patterns on the intraday charts, for instance on the 15-minute chart maybe, or just wait for some more hints and clues that market could give us. On the 4-hour time frame, I see just some kind of the consolidation on the market. That's not the reversal. This looks like more is the retracement to the upside after the solid move to the downside. Trend still holds bullish, so by that combination of the 4-hour time frame on the bullish side and the daily time frame on the bearish side, we could say that our context for trading is the bearish, but we can't enter right now since the 4-hour time frame is still bullish. So market suggests that probably some deeper retracement could happen in the nearest term. We could enter on the nearest resistance level when the market will reestablish move to the downside, and when the 4-hour time frame will shift on the bearish side, or by some patterns. But currently I do not see any significant patterns. Maybe this kind of flag that is forming on the on the daily time frame. Okay. On the hourly time frame, we still see the possibility that market still could reach this level, because although it has shown the pullback to the downside as we suggested, but it's not quite reached our level to enter. It's around 131.65 area. As you can see, that could be the free drive as we discussed yesterday, but this pattern has been failed because market hasn't formed the third drive. It moved to the downside right after the second potential drive of this pattern. But still, market hasn't reestablished move to the downside. Hourly time frame holds bullish as well. That is our pattern that we have discussed yesterday. A, B, C bottom. The 1618 extension stands at agreement at conference resistance at hourly time frames 131.50, 131.59. It's right here. That blue line is the weekly pivot point. Here we also see the potential for the butterfly pattern, so that could be the left wing. Okay. That is forming the acceleration to the upside. So the 127 extension of that butterfly, or even if we will take a look at that swing to the downside and count 127 extension from that swing without treating it as the butterfly, stands precisely in an area of the weekly pivot point. So based on the trend direction on the intraday charts and on the price action currently, and that the market hasn't quite reached the 1618 extension target, is around 131.56. Well, we could assume that probably market still could reach that level, and probably the entry point that we have discussed yesterday is still possible. That's why, for those of you who trade on the daily time frame and want to enter on the short side of the market, the trading plan stands as on previous trading session. Watch for reaching that area, search for the drop your time frame to the 15-minute chart, for instance, and search for the sell signals, sell patterns around that level. If you trade the intraday charts, for instance on the 5-minute chart, then you have the bullish context, since the hourly time frame trend is bullish, and you could try to trade some patterns on the 5-minute chart. The target is around 131.65 areas right here. But in general, currently it's very poor existence of different patterns. It's nothing really interesting and nothing really that could be worthy of trade on the intraday chart, I suppose. So personally, I will be just watching how market will move in that area and follow the trading plan that we have specified yesterday.